in ERDAS, you can do georeferencing in both QGIS or ArcGIS or even in this. These are mostly used when we are working with satellite data. So let's just load one data. To load a particular data in ERDAS map, you need to open. There are many ways. This is one of the way. So open raster map. मतलब बहुत तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं. ये एक तरीका है जिससे आप कर सकते हैं. But right click on a map. Mouse or just go to your particular folder. Even ERDAS may you have to give a reference preference for your default directory जहाँ पे you want to save your data or from where you want to load the data. मोस्टली आप जहाँ से अपना डाटा को सेव करना चाहते हैं और जहाँ से आप अपना डाटा को लेना चाहते हैं. So I have given the particular data link. You can do that for your condition. एक्चुअली मेरे को कुछ लोग बोला कि हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में बोलो, सो आई एम डूइंग दैट. लेट्स लोड अ पर्टिकुलर डाटा. लेट्स डू. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट लोड द अनरेक्टिफाई इमेज विच इज नॉट जियो रेफरेंस. तो पहले आपको कोई डाटा को अपलोड करना है जो जियो रेफरेंस नहीं है. यू कैन सी क्लिक ऑन एनी कर्सर ऑन द माउस. यू कैन सी देयर इज इन द downward side you can see it is not showing any projection. Even if you go to properties in metadata, not properties, here in metadata you will get all the information about the particular image. So in a projection you will see no projection. So here there will be any projection, you will go there and you will find no projection. So this is unrectified image. After that you have to go to multispectral. You can see here. Then here from here you have to go to control point. Control point is basically a system through which you did georeference the data. Then in select geometric model you have to select polynomial 1. Just select polynomial 1. And here you will get a particular dialog box which is GCP tool reference system. If you are doing image to image georeference, select the first one. And if you are giving a particular through ground system, then you can use keyboard only. So in my condition I am using georeference image. So मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ कि आपको ये एक डाटा मिलेगा जहाँ पे आपको इमेज लेयर को चूज करना है, क्योंकि हम लोग इमेज टू इमेज जियो रेफरेंस कर रहे हैं. और अगर आप कोऑर्डिनेट पेज में टाइप करना चाह रहे हैं तो यू नीड टू मोस्टली आपको कीबोर्ड को सेलेक्ट करना है. सो इन माय कंडीशन आई एम यूजिंग चूजिंग इमेज लेयर. क्लिक ओके. Then here you will get a dialog box in which you have to add another one image which is georeference. So in my case JUP2 is the georeference image, and you will get the projection of that georeference data. You can see clearly UTM zone 45, datum WGS 84. Click OK. And here the polynomial order will be 1. You can choose 1, 2, as much GCP you want to take. So I am taking 1 only. Close it. Now you have to select the area in a here and here both in the both image. So this is a georeference image, this is not. So just go to that particular data, zoom a bit. I am giving one, just lock this, select GCP, drop here, and do like that same. Wait a moment. So you need to select here and just drop the GCP here. You can see you can lock even. Now give the second GCP like that. Just drag wherever you want to do. Let's give here. Put it. Wait. Just clip it here. Click on GCP. Click here. Just do like that same in another image in the same location. Not there. If you do a mistake like that, you need to delete from here, and you can see both the GCP and gone. uh, just bring the cursor in the same location in the second image and drop the GCP. Now you have to choose the third layer. Mm, let's, let's choose this portion, zoom here and bring the GCP, click here. Just like that you have to do in second image. I have to identify the area. This is a portion, this is the particular area. Just zoom it, bring the GCP, not there. If you made a mistake like that, just do what? Delete it. Drop the select GCP again. Wait. Just go on that particular area. Yeah. Select GCP. Drop here. Drop here. Now your three GCP is located. Now it's time to give the fourth one. The fourth one it will take automatically. For example, let's give here. Drop here and it take automatically. Now click here. There is two way you can do georeferencing, which is one is the resample image and another one is this. Let's do this. Just give the part where you want to save your dialog. Just give georeference reference. Click OK. Just remove it. Click OK. You can see it is doing the georeferencing. And now it's done. Just close this dialogs. No, no, no. Now bring the, you can see here, it's not georeference, remove it. To add the image, just click on right button on a mouse, go to the data where your part is and just open it. You can see here it's UTM zone 45 is georeference. So that's how georeferencing is done. Thank you so much guys. Please kindly share my video toward your friends and whoever go through georeferencing, GIS remote sensing, working with GIS remote sensing ERDAS. Thank you so much.